Hello everyone. So today's topic of discussion is Delhi Alwar RRTS project. So the Supreme Court appointed committee has permitted the construction of the Delhi Alwar RRTS. The full form of RRTS is Rapid Rail Transit System. The corridor under Aravali Biodiversity Park extended rigid area. So in this project, the total length of this is 164 kilometers, and it will be finished on 2024. So there are some phases. It is divided into three phases to finish the construction on time. So in phase number first, the Delhi to Shahjahanpur Nimrana Bahar. So short form of is SNB Urban Complex. So this will be start from Sarai Kal Khan in Delhi and ends at SNB complex. Out of this, 106-kilometer route and 75 kilometers in Haryana will be remaining is in Delhi. The initial few stations in Delhi and Gurgaon will be underground due to the shortage of the land, and there will be total 16 stations in phase first. So how many stations in phase first? So there will be total 16 stations. In phase number second, it started from SNB and it ended to Sotanla. This will include stations and route, and this 33-kilometer route has a number of warehousing and industrial units, and it seemed like the next warehousing hub from where? Northern India. The third phase is saying that Satlana to Alwar. Alwar is our last destination. All the stations on this 58-kilometer stretch will fall in Rajasthan, for which the land acquiring is yet to be completed. According to CEC, the full form of CEC is Central Empowered Committees report. The 1.7 kilometer of the proposed 3.6 kilometer stretch will pass beneath the Aravali Biodiversity Park near Vasant Kunj. So the committee is also informed that this project is public interest, that trees will not have to be cut, so the purpose rail corridor will run 20 meters below ground. In this project, the trees will not cut. This is the public interest, and the 164-kilometer rapid rail corridor, which will mix the elevated trucks and tunnels. The significance of corridors is like that. The travel time. What is the travel time? So it reduces our travel time. It reduced between these places to 117 minutes, a little less than 2 hours. RRTS is new and dedicated. It's high speed and high capacity comfortable computer services connecting regional nodes in NCR. RRTS is different from conventional railways. It also provides us high frequency, point to point regional travels at high speed along dedicated pathway. RRTS is different from metro because metro is used for short distance and this is relatively used for longer distance. So passenger looking to travel relatively longer distance with fewer stops at the high speed. So there are some benefits of this. Let's read the benefits. These are the benefits. So benefit number first, it increased economic activity. A fast, convenient and affordable mode of transport such as RRTS has the potential to completely change the patterns of movement and development across the region. It also balanced our economic development by improving connectivity, leading greater economic activity in NCR would lead to the balanced economic development across the region. It also improved access. The RRTS would open up new markets and opportunities for the people across the commute distances which appear infeasible today. There are some routes of Delhi Alwar RRTS. Rivavli, Bawal. You can read all the routes are present here. Like in sector 17 is Shahjahanpur. In Rajiv Chowk is Nimrana, and there are also like in is Alwar is also mentioned there. It's the last destination, and there are some question for this. When will Delhi Rivavli Alwar RRTS get operational? So its correct answer is 2024. The deadline for the Delhi Alwar RRTS is 2024. Next question. Who is the founding Delhi Alwar RRTS? So JICA and World Bank are currently considering the founding of this project. So last question is about the cost. So what is the cost of Delhi Alwar RRTS? So its cost is 36,000 crores. The estimated cost for the Delhi Alwar RRTS is 36,000 crores. So this is our last. I hope all this which I told you is clear to you. Thank you so much.